Hello, everyone. I am so excited to share with you how to walk through our upcoming wrap-up celebration for the Fellowship Circle Winter 2021. I'm Zwania, and I'm going to walk you through this process. So when you are ready to sign into the event, you will just enter the URL same one that you used to register for the event into the tab, press enter, and you will get to the home screen of the event. You will see enter event and you will click that button. Once we click the button, we will now be into the event. Once you're in the event, you will see a few areas. The reception area is what tells you everything about the event, really. It will tell you what's happening now. It will also go through the description of the event. It will go through the sponsors of the event, and you will find the event schedule on that page as well. So everything you need to know about the event is in the reception area. Also, if you continue to look on the left side of the screen, you will see the other sections of the event: reception, stage, networking, and expo. Those sections will tell you exactly when things are live. So for example, right now, networking is going on. Also, the expo is open. Whenever we have anything scheduled for the main stage, you will see the stage button light up. Let me bring you to the right side of your screen. The right side of your screen is where you're going to see the event chats. So you will have a stage chat and an event chat and a booth chat. It just depends on what section of the event you're in. You're also able to connect with other people in this tab. You can click on a person's name and you'll be able to invite them to a video call. You'll be able to schedule a meeting with them, and you'll be able to send them a private message. Once they receive a private message, they'll see a little orange dot highlighted around this email icon, and that's to let them know that they've received a message and they should read it and respond. Okay, let's go to some other sections of the event. I want to show you what you have in store. Everyone wants to network, right? The networking tab, it's speed networking. It is fantastic. The system picks the person for you automatically. The system will also not connect you with the same person twice. This way you're able to meet new faces without even thinking about, that awkward moment when you're at a networking event, you're like, who do I go and speak to, or what circle can I break up? No need for that here. You just click on the button. So let's do it together. Click on networking. It will ask you, are you ready? It will tell you to click below to meet someone. Now, typically it will also ask you your camera settings. So you need, like right now, audio, video settings. It will ask you for your permissions because the networking is, it's actually quite cool, and you get to see your face. Like now, you get to see my face. Hi. So I'm going to press apply to make sure that that's working. And then the system is going to connect me with somebody who's available to network. And look at that. I have someone on here who's available to network. Hi, Natasha.
Hi, Danielle.
Look at that. We get to network. And if you look at the screen, at the top of the screen, you see that it's timed. We have 3 minutes to talk to each other. Key to networking, everyone. Do not make it about yourself. Make sure you share the stage. 3 minutes. So you need to be able to communicate with each other. I'm not going to sit here and ramble about myself for 3 minutes and go, oh, well, it was nice to meet you. That's not how it works. It's a conversation. The other thing that you need to know is that you can press the connect button right here. And once you press that connect button, I'm going to press mine. We're going to hope that Natasha presses hers too, because what happens is Natasha's information will be saved in my profile, and my information will be saved in Natasha's profile. And then when the event is over, you'll be able to go to the connections section of your profile and see who you've met. And I can reach out to her on LinkedIn. I can reach out to her on Twitter. I can reach out to her on whatever website she puts in. I can know now I can connect with Natasha. Once the networking segment is over, you will get a countdown clock. It will ask you if you want to add more time or if you want to just move on to the next person. And that's fine because it's speed networking. Don't spend your whole time with one person. Try to meet as many cool people as you can. And that's really it for networking. So Natasha, you know, I've met you and I've hogged all the time and it's fine. Right? Don't do what I just did. So then when you're done, you can press leave, or like I said, the system will boot you out and you can move on to the next person. But I'm going to now show you what to do in the Expo tab feature. Bye, Natasha. Okay, so now we're going to jump to the Expo tab. When you jump to the Expo tab, you'll see a whole lot of booths here. Right now we have one booth set up just for this demo. What you have two options. If I'm going to show it to you from a vendor perspective where it's my booth, and then I will tell you how it will look from a user perspective if you're a guest. So I'm going to click on here, and because this event is set up where the vendors will be live streaming, and on the back end I'm already set up as a moderator for this booth, I will share my audio and video. And because I'm doing that, here I am. And now everyone who enters the booth will be able to see me just like this, right? Now, what you can do is, as a person who is going live in your booth for the duration of the event, you have the ability to mute your mic, or you have the ability to turn off your camera. I mean, you want to make sure that your camera and your mic are on because people are coming into the booth and this is your way of interacting. Now, how do you know if someone's in your booth? You look at this number here. Right now it says 1. That's because I'm the only person in the booth. So whenever that number goes up, I now know that someone's in the booth and I can go, hey, welcome to Accelerate Her Future booth. What can I do for you? Or I can go to the booth chat button and I can type a note in the chat. So here are some examples. Would you like to have a conversation with us? Click the join the video chat to come on screen or to engage with us in chat box, right? And a guest would write, welcome to AHF booth, have questions, join us. You know, you can type in the booth chat, engage with your audience. And the other thing that I want to show you is you can invite people to come on screen with you. So if someone wants to have that one-on-one conversation, they can request. There's typically a button on their end for them to request to join, and you will see a little moderation panel here. It will pop up, and then you'll be able to just add them by clicking a plus button once they request to the screen. Please remember that everything that is said on video can be heard by everyone in the booth. So don't have any personal or private conversations while you're doing this one-on-one chat. Save that for the private conversations that I showed you previously by using the People tab. This is just for that initial conversation. So please ensure that you remember that initial conversation right here. Now, I know the event is about 2 hours long. If you need a quick little bio break, I would suggest that you turn off your camera and your video, run to your bio break, or even better, you can prepare a little one slide going, be back in 2 minutes, and click this button here to share your screen, and you share that slide. Run, grab, you know, like some water, use the bathroom, come back, and undo that so that you're ready for your guests. So again, the things to watch for, make sure that you are always ready to interact with people who come into your booth. And the way to know that someone's in your booth is by that little number there. Okay, so how do you get people off camera once you have them on camera? There's just going to be a little button at the bottom left-hand side of their screen that's a circle with a little minus. You click on that and then they're off camera. Easy breezy, right? Now, if you're a guest, there's some other parts of the booth that you need to know. You will find right here the logo for the booth, the name of the booth, their tagline, and all the ways that you can reach them, their website, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Here you will find their long description, so you know a little bit about them. Then there's this blue button. It will say learn more, or it will say career opportunities. that will click you through to their website so that you can see additional career opportunities that might be available. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to the People tab and find Barsha Tanakadu or Dwayne Peel, and we will be able to help you. And that's everything. And remember, you can chat, for the duration. Just chat at the event. If you click on the event tab, you can chat in the event chat. You can click on the booth chat when you're in the booth and chat in the booth chat. And make sure that you're answering the poll questions that are being offered by some of our vendors. All right? Have a good one. Bye.